Alright, we're out on site this morning. We've got some pottery kilns to check. It is pretty dirty too. We're going to have to give this a nice clean. Got a very hot join there on the line side. So let's go ahead and replace this contactor. We're going to do a bit of testing. This is actually a two-phase kiln, so we actually have phase, and neutral coming in. I opened the plug and I thought, oh, where's the blue? There it is. Burnt up. The truck never fails. Alright, we're back here now. I got 3D Pro bag full of tools. Let's change this outlet.